So then 2.2, I want to talk about adding integers. So adding integers is that we are finding the sum of the total earnings or losses. So negative has many representations such as loss, such as not have enough, or such as the direction, the opposite direction of positive. So here we want to talk about how we use number line to find each sum. So here we have all the numbers. So starting from 0, I'm going to place 0 toward to the right, so then I'll have more room for adding the negative numbers. So to the left, I have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, so I have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. And then now I have negative 6 going toward negative. So then I have negative 6, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. So from negative 3, I am going toward all the way to the left because I want to add negative 6. So I'm going over this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going negative 6 this way. So the total here is negative 9 by looking at the number on the number line. So you go here and you go all the way here. So then the sum on the number line is negative 9. Okay, so then I have 4 and then added on negative 7. So now I have a number line. So I have 0 placing toward the right. Then I get 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is here. Then I get moving toward the right. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. So then now I started from 4 and then going toward to the left. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. So now this is positive 4, minus 7. So here it is negative 3. So the answer here is negative 3. So let's talk about adding integers. So to add two integers with the same sign, we have to find the sum of their absolute values. So we want to use the sign of the two integers. And then to add two integers in different signs, we want to find the difference of their absolute values. And then we want to use the sign of the integer with greater absolute value. So I want to find the difference of their absolute values, then I want to use the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. So now I want to find each sum. Okay, so I can just imagine -7 plus -4, so -7 going more negative to the left, so I end up having -11. Or I can just imagine it in my brain. So now -8 plus 6 will get -2 because we just imagine 6 walking toward to the left a unit. So number 3, I want to evaluate the expressions with integers. A plus b equals to 6 minus 10. So 6 minus 10, 6 moving toward to the left is -4. And then now the math team's income from a car wash was 300, including the tips, and then supply expense was 25. So how do we get total profit or loss? So the total may be lost if my expense is too high. It depends on the income and the expense. It's 300 minus 25 equals to 275. So the total is profit. This is $275. So now let's do think and discuss.